Welcome to PlayOwnAi. It's Rasheda. We'll build WebLinkScraping. That AI-powered WebLinkScraping automatically fetches a website's HTML, converts it to Markdown, extracts all outbound links, summarizes content, and outputs. Launch a new N8N workflow and rename it WebLinkScraping. Add new node manual trigger node. When clicking Execute Workflow, add new node HTTP request, fetches target website HTML, temper mattress, display. Markdown converter. Add a Markdown node to your N8N workflow. Converts the raw HTML to Markdown format. In the node settings, choose the mode HTML to Markdown. Paste your HTML snippet into the input field. You can use JSON data if your HTTP request is providing HTML. Set the destination key to something like Markdown. This will store the converted output. Run the workflow and check the output. You'll see Markdown like Temper Cloud Elite King Size, but more importantly, you'll get the text stripped clean, perfect for passing into LLMs, saving to a CMS, or pushing to Notion. Bonus tip, add a set node afterward to preview via N8N's UI or a write binary file node to save the output to disk. The Markdown converter is a super simple, powerful tool for converting weird front-end HTML into clean, usable Markdown text. Ideal for many automation use cases. Let me know if you want a deeper dive into exporting JSON or formatting tables. Add new node OpenAI Message Model. OpenAI Message Model feeds the Markdown to GPT-4o Mini to extract all absolute URLs in an array, return the site's plain text copy, provide a one-line summary, credential to connect with credential key, resource text, operation, message model from list, GPT-40 mini messages, prompt. You are a helpful, intelligent web scraping assistant. Role assistant. Prompt. Your task is to take the raw Markdown of a website and convert it into structured data. Use the following format: links, an array of absolute URLs, plain text website copy, a long string containing just the text of the site, no formatting, one-line summary, brief summarization of what the site is about. Your website URL for the relative absolute conversions is https tempermattress.xdisplay.co role user. Prompt. Drag and drop data as JSON.data. Output content as JSON. Enable. Finally look like this. Hashchar. Support line, get assist. Stuck anywhere or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. You can download the full workflow directly from my GitHub. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel, playownai.youtube.com/playownai, GitHub, my N8N. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply, and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with OwnAI Playground.